Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thank you for coming in our presentation today. It's great to see you all. In this opportunity, I would like to present about who, what, where. In this presentation, we will discuss about the who, what, where. Well, let's start this presentation from Lana. Please coming to Lana.
Objective. After studying these materials, students are able to number one, draw a collection about people, things, and plans. Number two, understand the question and answer which may appear in the passive and active voice. B, material description. One, introduction. After listening to short dialogues, it is common that you are asked about the person, activity, or location mentioned in the dialogue. Sometimes the question do not clearly provide the answer. Here you are asked to draw a conclusion based on the clues given in the dialogues. Number two, drawing consolation about who, what, where, giving focus on the setting of the short dialogue can actually help us to answer about the person, activity, or location found in the dialogue. The first, who is probably speaking? The second, what will the probably do next? And the third, where does the dialogue probably take place? Now listen to these following short dialogues, underline and keyword and pick the best answer. The first, woman, if you thought it's hurting you so much, perhaps you solve your dances right away. Man, I don't really want to, but I guess I don't have much choice. Narrator, what will the man probably do next? The answer is C. Make appointment with his dentist. Table of contents. 2. Woman. I'd like to try on some rings, please. Man. Do you prefer rings in gold or silver? Narrator. Where does this conversation probably take place? The answer is B. In a jewelry store. 3. Woman. Charlie has the potential to be a professional musician, but he is too lazy to practice. Man, what a shame, Narrator. What does the woman say about Carly? The answer is B. He is very talented, but he will never be a professional musician because he doesn't practice. Number 4. Woman, let's look over the blueprints for the bowling one more time. Man, good idea. We need to be sure that the second is absolutely correct before construction begins. Narrator, who are these people most likely to be? The answer is B, architect. Number 5, woman. Can we get together this afternoon to discuss our project? Man, sorry, I can't. I have a doctor's appointment. I have to get my eyes checked. Narrator. What is the woman most likely going? The answer is to see an ophthalmologist. Number 6. Man. Where are you going now, woman? I'm heading to a talk by Dr. Burton. There's going to be a solar eclipse later this month. Dr. Burton's giving a talk on what to expect during the eclipse. Narrator. What is Dr. Burton most like to be? The answer is A. An astronomer. The next slide, reading by Isna.
Exercise on who, what, where. 1. Woman. Where is the book on law? Man. Oh, it's on the shelf to the right of the entrance. Narrator. Where are the woman and man? The answer in D. In a library. 2. Men. Cabin crew arm doors and cross-check. Woman. Doors are armed and cross-check complete. Narrator. Who is a man most likely to be? The answer I. He's a pilot. 3. Woman. Excuse me, is the restaurant already open? Man. Son, because it still has to be cleaned. Narrator. What will the woman? The answer D. Wait until later to clean up. 4. Man. One kind of hairstyle would you like, woman? I don't know. Maybe you have suggestion for my hair? Narrator. Where are the woman and man? The answer D. In a beauty salon. 5. Man. Good morning. How may I help you today? Woman. I'm searching for high heels. Where is the section for that? Narrator. Who is the man? The answer I. A sales truck and a shoe store. 6. Grill. There you are. I went to your home, but you were there. Boy, I told you I was going to the slide. Narrator. Where is the boy most liking going? The answer I. On a playground. 7. Me. Yesterday, I sent a assignment via email. Have you received it, friend? Yes, I saw it, but I haven't had time to check it. Maybe later. Narrator. What is the meaning of their conversation? The answer I. Respond to the email. 8. Woman. I have a problem feeding my seat. Could you help me find my seat? Air hurts. Yes, of course, mister. What your seat number? Narrator. Where did their conversation take place? The answer I. In an airplane. 9. Bob. I have been feeling very. I will since I at lunch. Friends, why you don't go home? Come on, I will take you home. Narrator, what is Bob's friend doing? The answer I. Take car Bob. 10. Mrs. Isna. Okay, everyone. Before you exit the class, please leave the homework I gave you on my table. Children, I'm sorry, Mom, but I forgot to bring my homework with my today. Narrator, who is Mr. Isna most likely to be? The answer, a teacher. 3. Who and what in pacifist? The first, woman. Why were you so late in getting home from work? Man, my boss had me finish all the mood and report. Narrator. What does the woman mean? The answer D. He called finish the reports at home. 2. Man. Mr. Jones did not look too happy as she left her classroom. Woman. She was angered by her rude student. Narrator. What does the mom mean? The answer B. The teacher angered the student with the exam result. 3. Ma'am, do you know where the file folder are? Woman, sorry, I don't. They were moved, and now I don't know where they are. Ma'am, what does the woman imply about the folder? The answer D. Someone else moved them.
Exercise.
The next slide, Jaya.
Exercise on what, who, and what in passive. Salar, do you still want your broccoli, Miss? Buyer, yes, I went to just some that are still dries. Narrator, will the buyer buy in bulk? See if the vegetables are the freeze. Boy, this fall I can go on vacation because I have go to collect friend. What a pity. I thought you haven't street school this fall. Narrator. What is the boy doing? He admitted that he wanted to go to law school in the fall. 3. Marks, I can seem to take you because I have to go out of town. Lila, I'll just go alone. Later, I'll ask my cousin to take me to be safe. Narrator, why did Kayla ask her cousin to take her? D. She worked careful while Mark was gone. Man, what happened up there that caused the traffic jam? Woman, there are many fallen trees blocking the road. Narrator, what caused the trees there to fall? B. The storm damaged the trees. Man, can you walk with me tonight? Woman, not because my feet hurt. Narrator, what happened to the woman's leg? D. Her skis were broken in the mountains. Man, why the horses don't want to walk? Riders, maybe the horses are tired too much activity. Narrator, what happened to the horses? See, the riders worked the horses too much. Boy, I order another coffee, woman, but I already ordered coffee for you, narrator. Why did the man order coffee again? E. He didn't want the coffee that the woman ordered. Man, I'm going to the airport to pick up a friend, and I parked the car on the side of the road security. Go on. Why is parking on the side of the road? There is parking inside the iPod. Narrator. Why did the man park on the side of the road? See, the iPod couldn't hold a lot of cars. Teacher, why are you here? Where else? Mike, friends told me to be here. Narrator, what happened to Mike and his friends? D. Mike was chosen by his classmates to represent them. Example, yesterday our company was damaged by the earthquake. I have to contact the insurance company first. Narrator, what will the insurance company do to the company for the damage? E. After the earthquake, the insurance company come out to inspect the damage. Exercise. Here, I'm looking for a sheet of crayons. Seller, the crayon rack is near the bookshelf. Narrator, where is the place of the conversation? E. In a department store. Teacher, today there is an impromptu quiz for you, student. Wow, how come there are so many quizzes? Narrator, why are the students reacting like that? B, the teacher handed the papers to the student. Let me check my cars because there seems to be a like mechanic. Please open the car cap. It looks like something is dripping on the bottom. Narrator. What does the mechanic do? E. The accident checked the oil in my car. Isa, did you copy all yesterday, Phyllis? William, I've checked. Is it still lacking? Narrator, what did Isna ask for? D. Additional copies are needed immediately. Professor, you have to make a paper from several sources. Student, okay, Professor. Narrator, what shall student do to get the material for the paper? B. The student had to purchase 2 books. Latihan, can I meet Dr. Nada? I have made an appointment with her. Nurse, oh, sorry, Dr. Nada. Not in. Is back again next week. Narrator, why is the doctor not there? See, the doctor will not return until next week. Dan teacher, Mari, now you are in charge of class seperti Mari. Okay, ma'am. Narrator, why does the teacher give the responsibility to Mary? A. Mary become the new class president. Crew. Will this program include writers or only moderators? Creative team? Oh no, we will be the expert in understanding someone's personality. Narrator. What is meant by the creative team who will fill the program? C. The program featured a psychoanalysis.